Howdy. Didn't think I'd be making a video of the sort, but it kind of corresponds to a video about the payphone that I put out just a few days ago. As you can see, I'm out in the middle of basically nowhere. But this is prime ground for banditry and thievery. Now we're gonna walk over here. And look what I found chilling over in the woods. A broken up payphone. Imagine that. You can see that the coin box was torn off of there. And there it is, what's left of it. Smashed and mangled up. It's been out here for a while. Rusted out. It was common practice for people to damage these things during their times of, heavy use. When they were on every street corner and at every gas station and bus stop and truck stop and things like that. People would break into the coin box and steal all the nickels, dimes, and quarters. And, they'd get away with, quite a few dollars. Sometimes a lot more, depending on the usage of them. And seems they took this one out to a dead-end road and had their way with it, took the money out of it, and left it. One more decommissioned by force payphone. Have a good one.